How to fix Wi-Fi connected to device and can provide internet issue on Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you are also facing similar issues like this, then what you can do is simply head over to your settings, Wi-Fi settings. For me it's connecting, but if you, in this case, for your case, simply head over to your Wi-Fi settings and simply click on view more. As you can see, here is a IP settings. Simply click on static, and once you click on static, just make sure you have changed your first DNS to 888. The first DNS is this one over here, and remove it and simply type in, just type in 888 8.848. Yeah, and once you do that, on the second DNS, as you can see on the screen, you can just type in 88.4.4, and once you do that, hit the save button over here, and once you save it, restart your Wi-Fi. It should get connected, and if this doesn't work for you, then what you can do is just turn on your airplane mode from over here, and once you turn on your airplane mode, just turn off your Wi-Fi and again turn on your Wi-Fi from over here and see if it works or not. And if it still doesn't work for you, then you just have to head over to your settings, and under the settings option, just search in for reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, as you can see. And once you click on reset Wi-Fi, you just have to click on reset, which will reset everything from your device. So once you do that, you simply have to come over to your Wi-Fi over here, Wi-Fi section, and again enter your password. And now, as you can see, you should be able to get connected to your Wi-Fi successfully. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.